there! We have the Allure Box for April 2025. It came with a nice brochure with a lovely person on the front. And inside it tells you about the products. And we are thankful that they make that. And we have the question, is this spring? Yeah. First up is the Beauty for Certain $39 eyeshadow palette. And it raises to us the question, is this spring? We do realize that not everybody wants or needs flashy eyeshadow that I tend to gravitate towards. Me too. Yet this, to us, seems more like something you would get in a fall box or even a winter box. I'm so disappointed I'm not even doing swatches. We're going to set this one aside for a future giveaway. We're coming up on 400 subscribers, so if we can make and hold that mark, we will have a giveaway. This is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Toner. Full size would be $27. This is a deluxe sample size, which is still a decent size. This is how much product did we get there? We got 75 milliliters. In our size, the $27 would get you 200 milliliters, and it indicates that there's witch hazel and cucumber and antioxidant rosemary. And I've been trying a facial toner micellar water that we got in this box a few months back that has rosemary in it. At first I didn't think I'd like it. I am enjoying it, so I'm excited to give this one a try. And it says that it has a formula here that will help keep skin calm and your pores clean. Innisfree put 2 different samples in this box. You got one or the other. It was not a choice. We got the one with green tea. And I'm glad we did, because the other one is cherry blossom, and that's not really my thing. So I'm happy to get the green tea seed hyaluronic cream, and it is 15 milliliters. So this is a sample, and what is it going to do for me? It is it's got squalene in it, and it's for moisturizing. The other one was for brightening and had niacinamide in it. And it says that full size would be between $28 to $30, depending on if you went with the cherry blossom or the green tea. In this half of the box, Anne is most excited for the toner and the green tea product. What did you see that you liked? Do you get this box? Let me know. I want to know all the details because I'm a nosy Carol. Tell me everything. And now, moving right along with this video. Next up, we have a Sachuan hair styling cream. We took a little sniff through the safety seal. It smells a little perfumey, so this is probably going to wind up in a giveaway as well. And that's okay. You can't like everything in a subscription box. That's the way it goes. This is Sachuan styling cream, and this is 125 milliliters or 4.2 ounces. And what else can I tell you about it? I can tell you a price. That was full size, $39, which honestly, that doesn't seem like too high of a price, because for a styling cream, I wouldn't think you would use that much of it in a use. And it's supposed to, among other things, give you lots of shine without leaving your hair feeling sticky. I was excited when I saw that there was going to be a rodeo product in this box. This is the Vitamin C Papaya Enzyme Scrub. I was very excited to hear about that one coming to us. That was a full size 70 milliliters for $50. Excited to get that one. One of my favorite brands. And it says that the bright, crisp scent, that's nice to know, has a slightly gritty texture. Well, okay, it's a scrub. As long as it doesn't take my skin off, we're fine. And that it's going to make your skin feel smoother and softer. And the exfoliating papaya enzymes and the brightening vitamin C will help you to look more radiant. It's always nice to look radiant. We got the opportunity to customize for this month. And I'm noticing that that opportunity is happening more and more frequently. So this is what the shade is that I picked. This is a YSL lip product. This is in the shade 15. That's what she looks like. I'm not going to try it. The box says that if you turn it 6 clicks, that's enough for one application. I'm afraid to turn it yet, lest I can't turn it back down. That is a $42 product, and it is buildable, and that is called Showcasing Nude. The other colors were Beige, Bliss, Pleasure, and Scenic Brown, and it's supposed to be buildable and keeps your lips looking healthy. So really, it's more, they're calling it a candy glaze lip gloss stick. So it's more of a hint of color that you can build up rather than a lipstick. Anne's two favorites from this half of the box are the YSL and the Rodeo products. How about you? What do you like? Let us know, let us know. I'm a nosy camel. Do you get this box? What shade did you pick? I want to know all the details. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, they're sending a few advertisement cards along. This is something called Juvo. It's some sort of an injectable medication that when you read the tiny print, it talks about how that the side effects could be life-threatening. Each to their own. And they're also sending an advert for Stitch Fix, which, if you're interested, I have a code for that in my description box. And to be exact, the top that I am wearing today happens to be a Stitch Fix top. It's a nice lightweight sweater. And speaking of codes, I also have a code for this Allure box that will save you $10 off of your first month. The price for the Allure box has gone up. It was $25 a month. It is now $29. So my price will get you $10 off using my code. So that's always, a little bit is always helpful. And you get 6 items in the box. Usually 3 are full size and 3 are sample or deluxe sample size. This time we did get 6, but there were more full-size items. So that's always nice too. And we are getting to customize more often. So that is an added plus to consider since the price went up. And the prices of everything are going up, so. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, you know the routine. Come and join us for more fun videos. We're going to try to do a giveaway if we can get to and hold at 400. But we still want to keep advancing the channel if we can. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.